Hi, Tony DeWitt here, Missouri appellate attorney and a guy who likes to make the law make sense on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about the acquittal in the January 6th trials. I'll have more on that in just a moment. If you knock on my door and I tell you to come in, I can't say that you trespassed because I gave you permission to enter my house. Now, if you come in my house and you insult my wife or kick my dog, I can certainly ask you to leave, and if you don't leave, then you're trespassing. But the bottom line with this acquittal in the January 6th trial was that the fact was the government, and in the form of the Capitol Police, waved these people into the Capitol, and there was good video that showed they did that. There was good video showing that they removed the actual barricades that were up to stop the crowd from getting into the Capitol. If you remove the barricades and you wave people into the building, those people are not trespassers. Now, if while you're in there you bash things up and make a nuisance of yourself, you can certainly be liable for vandalism or any of the other things. And of course, if you don't leave when you're told to, assuming that it's possible to leave and you're not like a salmon trying to swim upstream, then again, you can be arrested for trespassing at that point. But the whole reason that the gentleman was acquitted was because he had good video of them waving them in. So I think you'll find that there will be more acquittals going forward, and I think this is a good thing. Now, again, much as in the last video, there have been a lot of criticisms of the judge because he was appointed by Trump. He has one obligation: be faithful to the Constitution. And the Constitution says, in order to be convicted, it has to be beyond a reasonable doubt. And the judge said it was more likely than not that he had committed some of these misdemeanors. However, it was not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. And, just like in baseball, the tie goes to the runner, in the courts, the tie goes to the defendant. Now, you can criticize that if you want to, but it's good policy. You know why it's good policy? Because someday you might be there. It might be your life, your future, your finances on the line. And you want a government that gives you every benefit of the doubt. I'm sure there are a lot of guilty people out there walking around today because they got the benefit of the doubt. But it's better for us to have 100 people out there who are guilty as sin walking around free than it is to have one person unjustly convicted. Each unjust conviction tarnishes the reputation of our country as a beacon for liberty. And I hate to see that. I believe it is very important for our courts to operate in the manner that the judge in that case did. So that's my take on the January 6th acquittal. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please go over here and click on the subscribe button. Like, share, subscribe. Really appreciate the likes. And if you would, tell your friends about this channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Have a marvelous day. I'll catch you on here next time.